In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make an image sticky in Wix. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and find the image that you want to make sticky. In my case, it's going to be this image right here. Now, bear in mind, it doesn't matter what type of image you have, how big or how small it is, or where it's positioned. When it comes to making it sticky, the process is always the same. So the first thing I want you to do is to click on the image to highlight it. And once you've done that, I want you to right click on the image. And then I want you to click on this pin to screen option at the bottom here. Once you've done that, here you can basically choose where you want to position the image before making it sticky. In my case, I want it to be kind of like in the midway here to the right, but I want to bring it in a little bit more to the left, just like this. So I can use this horizontal offset right here to bring it more inwards, as you can see, just like that. And then at the bottom here, you also have a vertical offset, but I'm happy with mine at the moment. Once you're happy with how your image looks, what you need to do to save it is simply exit out of it, and then let's click the preview button to see if we made this image sticky. So if we just scroll down, you can see that the image is now sticky. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make an image sticky in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.